Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a website. So now this website I'm going to show you guys, you can see it from this website. You can see that this website I'm going to show you guys has about 36,480 global rank. It has a country rank of 38,000, and then you could see the total number of visits. This is for basically for last month. So you could see that some of visits on desktop and mobile from last month is about 1.4 million people visiting this website, and then a lot of them are making money online. So I'm going to show you this website. So you could also see from here that we have the number of visits here, and then you can see that from US the number of visits that we have over here. And then we could also see in July there were about 1.4 million people visiting this website. There were about 1.2 million visiting in August, and then September we have about 1.4 million people visiting this website, and they are making a lot of money from this website. So mostly in US, but then there are people also around the globe, Asia, Europe, making money, and then in Africa also. So this website is worldwide, where you can make money online. Now, so before we get into that, let me just introduce myself. So my name is hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Jeffrey. I'm a student and an entrepreneur. I make most of my money on the internet. Now on this channel I do stuff like how to make money online, YouTube, affiliate marketing, and social media growth, and many more. So if you want to make money online and learn some of this trick, then hit the subscribe button and also the like button, and then also keep the notification bell on to be notified anytime we post a new video. So I'm going to show you this website. So the first website I'm going to show you is called Namelix. Now this Namelix website, what they do is that they are able to generate business name online. So basically this website helps to generate business name for clients and businessmen, and they are going to pay you as you are able to generate this business name for them. And then also you get paid for growing for generating the business name for your clients that are just about to start their websites, and then also you'll be paid off as you do that. Now, so when you go to this enter keyword, you could see that we can just type any keyword or any business name, any business idea that we have. As you can see from this website, there are a lot of names, brands that are affiliated to this website. So let's take it for instance, we want to look at how to make money online. So basically we should say something about in the financial niche. So we could say something like finances, and then you either generate. So when you click on generate, you can see that it gives you the brand keywords, the randomness, the name style, and then select generation, randomness, and all that. So you could select low, medium, high. Now for the low one, we have less random, the most direct name ideas, more creative ideas for the medium, and then also random ideas, more varied results. So you could choose any of these depending on what you want. So let's choose low, and then move them. Then you could see that what name style do you want? Do you want an auto style, alternate spelling, compound words, two words, brandable names? So let's choose some brand, because we are generating this name for brands to our client. So you could see it from here that we have a lot of brands name. So any keyword you can search for anything in the football niche, basketball, tennis ball. You could also any other niche, health niche, whatever niche, social media and all that. So you can see that when we search for the financial niche, you could see monies. So we have this brand name, we have finations, we have this one, finances, and then a lot of brand names you can see over here. So you could choose any of these brand names, and then you could also generate this name for your clients. Then you can make money from them also. Now I'm going to show you a second website where you can also get these names to for your clients. So the second website I'm going to show you guys. So with this website you could just get a name, and then I'm going to show you another website where we are going to sell these brand names to our clients. So now the second website that we could also generate some of these names is what we call the Tweak. So we have another website called Tweak. So we go and then just type tweak.com, and then when you open this website you could see that it says our websites are a massive knowledge base of free static specific information for a point along small business journey. We offer tools, guide, reviews, and then others. So when I move down, you could see that we have a lot of stuff on the website. So quickly move to business name generator. So you can move downwards to business name generator. You could also generate logo, you could also generate a business idea, you could generate entrepreneurship quiz, and even phone number generator, and then QR code generator. Because we are interested in the business generator, you click on business generator, and then whatever keyword you want to search for, let's search for the finances again. So we have like finances, and then when you search for finances, it's going to give you a lot of names. It's going to give you a lot of names, and also some website names that you could use. So we have Mama Cash Money, so we have mamacashmoney.com, we have Get Your Finances in Order, getyourfinancesinorder.com, Sellout Finances, and then you could get a lot of them over here. So you could get a lot of names you can use for your website, domains that you can use for your website, or whatever brand name you are trying to build, and then you could sell these brand names or these names to your client, to some businessmen, and also make money from there. So now that we have a name that we want to use, so let's use this name, Sellout Finance. So we have selloutfinance.com. so we are going to use that, and then we are going to go to the third. Now the third website I want to talk about is the Squad Help that you see over here. So we have squadhelp.com. Now on this website there are over 150,000 names that you could also get over here. But on this website, what we are basically going to do is that we are going to sell these names to people, to potential buyers, that they are going to buy these domain names, they are going to buy these names to use for their business, to grow their business and all that. So you could see that you could also enter some contest where you have your domain name, you have your website, and then you enter into a contest where you contest with a lot of people that are doing the same thing as you are doing, and then as you win this contest, you could make a lot of money, and there are a lot of people that are making a lot of money from this website. So so from here, when you get to the website, you just go and then you log in. So you just choose login, or if you don't have a website, you then just go ahead and then sign up. So you're going to sign up, then you just create an account. Over here we always keep your name and email address private, so you could just put in your first name, your last name, you could put in your display name, how you want your name to be displayed on your account, then your email address, your password, and then you confirm your password. So because you want to sell these logos, you want to sell these names and domain to people, you just choose you are a seller. So join as a creative marketplace seller, and then you could also check this box where you get promotional offers from time to time from Squad Help. Then you go ahead and create the account. When you click on create account, because I already have an account, I'm just going to sign in straightly from here, or just log in straight. So when you click on create account, it will take you to another page where they'll ask for your passport. They are going to ask for your passport, and then other information, your city, your state, even your phone number. But some of these things are your country, and then the others. So but then some of these things are optional where you can ignore them. So because I already have an account over there, I'm quickly going to just log in. So I'm going to log in just with my Gmail account. So you could see that this is my dashboard, This is my dashboard, and then you could see that we have my domains, we have sales and offers, portfolio settings, data and insights, and then a lot of options over here. So there are a lot of contests that is actually going on. So you could see that when you want to enter into a contest, there are different types of contests that you could enter into. So let me quickly take you through some of. So when you go to the contest, you can see that we have active contest over here. So you can see that we have over 60 contests, and then you can see brand name for an online education business, logo for technology and consulting. And then you could see that from the first part, when you enter into this contest, an award is guaranteed for this contest, which is about $100. And then you could see that from the second part, for logo technology consulting companies, you could get about $135. And then over here, brand name for sports equipment and supply, you could get about $100. And then we have some $100 here, that is a wellness and fitness brand name. And then we could get a brand name for Center for Excellence in Cataract and then LASIK surgeries, which is $135. We have $600 premium logo for premium puppy breeder, very small dogs. So you could see that there are a lot of contests on this page over here that you could enter. So if you want to enter into any of the contests, you could just click on that, and then it will take you to this page. So basically what we are going to do is to just fill in this information here. So contest type, so the contest type that you want to enter into. So you can see that the type of this the contest type is brand name for an online education business. So you could just go ahead and then fill this information over here, the type of brand, the what is your business or the brand about. You could write here, well, you want a URL for your business or a domain for a business. You want acceptable domain extension, the type of business, the what style or character should the brand convey, brand country for the brand or business. And then we have some keywords for the name, maximum number of letters, maximum number of words, and which has no limit, preferred style of name, and then preferred type of name. And then you could fill all this information, and then so what you do is just click on this and then fill this information. Then after everything, you just go ahead and then you submit your contest. So you could do that. Then from here you could see the number of people. So you can see that so far we have this guy who has already entered into this contest. He has already given some 2 entries here. So after everything, you just go ahead and then you just submit everything, and then you could also join the contest. Then after they go through your applications and all that, your submissions, and then you could make that money from here. But then there are some where you could before you are able to enter into the contest, you have to pay some money. Don't worry, you get your money back after you win the contest. So you could also try those ones also. So there are a lot of things to do over here. You start a contest, and then the pricing and all that. So you could see that we have contest pricing here, and then you could see branding, a budget, and then this amount over here. So you could try some of these things. There are a lot of services on this website also. So you could also do some logos, not just brand name. You could start a contest and then just create some logos for people, and then after everything, then after you win, so you can choose the category, whether you want to name a logo or a tagline or a slogan. If you want a logo, you click on that, and then you tell them the title of your contest. So let's say the title of our contest is just make money online. So you could type something like make money online, and then we have what does your company or business do. We also for money online here, and the name of company or business, just put the name over there, your website if you have one, and then you type the type of in category that, because this is about making money online, you could choose the financial category. So we have finance category, and then what are your target customers. Share any relevant information such as demographic, interest, and aspiration. So let's say you are targeting those in the US, Canada, and then maybe for your interest you want young men, old men, whatever you want here. Any other details that are relevant to this, so any other information that are relevant to the logo that you've created or the name that you've created, you could put that one there, and then choose your preferred visual style. What visual style do you want? Do you want from the square, or do you want from whatever visuals that you want? You could choose any of these, and then what best describe your brand character. So because we are talking about make money, let's choose necessity, luxury. Yeah, you could choose this one, and then you go ahead and then you set up a contest duration. So you could set up for 5 days, 10 days, 3 days, whatever duration that you want. Then you could go ahead and press on next. So when you click on next, then it takes you to this place. So basically what they are going to do is to create the logo for you, and then you could price to win. So you are winning about this amount of money, including the money you are using for this. So you could select that, and then you could select that, click on next, and then just click on this one, invite a tag creative. It will cost you this amount. So if you don't want that, you can just ignore that. Everyone should be able to read my Creative Commons here. But if you choose this one, you will have to pay this amount, so you take that one out. You choose this one, and then choose this one. So the one with the cost, just uncheck it and check the one that with the without cost. So you could do that and just click on next. So when you click on next, then you could go ahead and then you proceed with the payment. So whatever information that you have, then you fill in your information with PayPal, Visa, MasterCard. You fill in your information, then you could pay this amount of money. After everything, you win the contest, then you could get more than what you've paid over here. So I hope this video was helpful. If you are new here, please like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified anytime we post a new video. Thank you very much, and then I'll see you guys in another video on how to make